Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin, and today I am going to show you client event script field change. Field change event. In our last video we have learned about page init, and in this video I am going to show you what is field change. Field change means when we use this event when we want to perform some action as soon as the value is changed. Let me show you with an example. See, this is a sales order form, right? Now suppose here is a shipping carrier company list, and if I want to make change, suppose there are different shipping cost for different shipping carrier company. Now suppose if I want that I have changed this Hapag Lloyd, here it becomes 10%, otherwise for Evergreen Marine it becomes 5%. So this is called event change, that is field change. As soon as the field is changed, immediately the value is changed. So how did I do this? Let me show you the code also. See, this is the page init event. Page init event, initially we set some values like New York, John Smith, set value, right? Sales rep, and the shipping carrier company value is 5. Now field change means, suppose we need to know first current record, current field ID. Current field ID means this, current field ID, shipping carrier company. Let me show you this, shipping carrier company, right? After that, the carrier value. Carrier value means shipping carrier company current field ID, get the value. Value means, for example, this is the value, custom list, shipping carrier company. Yes, here you can see the value, internal ID. Evergreen, this is the 5, for example. Now see, whatever the value we get, after that, if current field ID is shipping carrier company, so we invoke the function change cost, right? We pass the context and the carrier value. Right now the carrier value is 5. After that, this function, let's see this function. If carrier value is 5, then context record, current record, set value. This is the shipping cost. Shipping cost means, let me show you this. Here is the shipping cost. Shipping cost, this is the ID. After that, value equal to 5%. Otherwise, else any of this value apart from 5, it takes 10% and then return true. So this is the function that we invoke. So now there is a very short list, like 7 or 8 shipping carrier companies are there. But suppose if the requirement is here also, imagine that here also there is a drop down box with different locations. Now if there is a combination, like whatever the warehouse I select, and based on that whatever the value is selected here, it should calculate the value. That can also be done with a sub record, or we can say with another record, that we will discuss in our next upcoming video. We will discuss the same thing with a broader view, like selection of location and selection of carrier company. We will calculate the shipping cost based on these two selections. So how it will be done, we will see in our next video. So I hope this video is useful for you. So till then, goodbye guys, and please do subscribe my videos. Thank you.